Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Chaitanya. So how are you all? I hope you are doing well and preparing for your exam. So if is there any issue in my chat, my sound and voice, then please, sound and video, then please comment in the chat box. And I hope you are doing well. So today we are here to discuss chemistry PYQ score paper, okay, and we will take a lot of questions and we will discuss their answers as well along with their concepts. So I hope आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे और अपनी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे. Okay, so before starting, please like and share the session, then we will move to the next part. Okay everyone, so please confirm in the comment box my audio and video is clear, please everyone. If there is any issue, then write in the comment box. Okay, so let's start. So my dear friend, we have a score test, okay, and if you are in studying above 3 and above than 3 standard 3, you should appear in this exam, because if you will crack this exam, you will get opportunity to win 2.5 crore cash rewards, 350 crore scholarships, NASA trips, exciting gadgets, and up to 100% scholarships. Okay, so this is a good chance for you. If you have not registered, please go to the srichaitanyascore.com and register for this exam. And this is one of the biggest scholarship exam in India. Okay, and if you will crack this exam, you will get a lot of rewards mentioned over here. Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to discuss previous year questions and the type of questions which generally used to come in this exam. Okay, and meanwhile in between the questions and answers we will discuss some general doubts also. If you have any issue, you can ask in the questions. Okay, let's start. So this is a very basic question. Let's see who can answer. The value of E by M of an electron. Very easy question, please. I think this is the most easiest question. So what is the E by M ratio? E by M ratio is also called a specific charge. IIT used to ask a lot of questions on it, and this question is already asked in your previous score test. So everyone can answer this question, no need to mug up the value. Okay, those who have studied atomic structure from the NCERT, they can remember the value direct, but if you will divide the value for this question was asked, you can get the answer. Very simple. And please, for your attendance, please like the session. Please mark please click like button. Okay, please try this question everyone, then we will move further. So question is, the value of E by M for an electron is. Very easy question. Okay, might be IIT used to ask not E by M, they will ask a specific charge. Okay, so this is very cool question. So for electron we are going to answer this question, and please see the units. So mass of electron should be taken in gram. Okay, so what is mass of electron, my dear friend? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So this is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. And what is the charge of electron? This is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now it's a calculation. This question become very easy. So E by M ratio is nothing, 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 divided by 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 coulomb per gram. I hope if you will solve this question, so this power will give you almost, okay, 9. Okay, and from here you will get, my dear friend, this is the answer A. Please try to solve it. This is a very basic question. Even this question is very simple. If you will solve this 1.6 by 9.1, you will get something like 0.17 something. Okay, so only number A is the possible answer. Okay, it's a very easy question. And now if you will appear in a score exam, you will have chance to solve this kind of questions, and exchange of this you will have opportunity to win NASA trips, a lot of electronic gadgets. Okay, so please appear and go to the Sri Chaitanya score.com and register for that course. Okay everyone, so it's a very easy question. I hope everyone will solve this question. Okay, let's come to the next question. Why I have taken this question for you? This question is from you directly from NCERT. Please, which of following is not a measurable quantity? Please, which of following is not a measurable quantity? You will surprise, okay? And this question is very cool, and this is the only taken from the lines of NCERT only. Okay, very easy question, please. So I will give you a hint. Just think about which is the property of isolated atom and which is not the property of isolated atom. So you can simply answer this question, everyone. And if you will read your NCERT periodic table, okay, there is a line written in the NCERT. Okay, so you will get the answer. Please, everyone just try. Which quantity is not measurable? Okay, not a measurable quantity. Okay, so not answering. Everyone, please participate in the questions. Okay, just try to guess what happened maximum. You will commit a mistake, but it's not a big deal. Okay, let's start. My dear friend, what is ionization potential? If I will talk about ionization energy, what was the definition? Amount of energy required to remove electron from an isolated gaseous atom. Okay, it means this is the ionization energy. Of course, you want to break the attractive force between nucleus and electron, so this is always greater than 0. Okay, so enthalpy is always greater than 0. Okay, so this is defined for isolated atom. Affinity is what? So electron affinity is equal to, technically, if you will have any gaseous atom and if you will add one electron to it, okay, if you will add any electron to it, maximum people commit mistake in this. Okay, they think it is the reversal of this, energy will released. No, this is not mandatory every time energy will released. Okay, in many cases you have to provide energy. So better to write, in general, it will form X minus. So we used to call it electron gain enthalpy. Generally, it is less than 0. Generally, not always. Okay, that's why this is very important. Generally, this is less than 0. Generally, but these two are defined for a single atom. Radius, no need to define. You have studied in atomic structure. Radius formula is 0.529 n square by z Armstrong for one atom. Okay, but electronegativity is the referential word. This is not defined for a single atom. Okay, means in a covalent molecule, this is the shared pair of electron. Okay, this is the shared pair of electrons, but one will say, I have more hold on that shared electron. So attracting electrons towards itself in a covalently bonded molecule is the power of electronegativity. So electronegativity is a referential word, okay? Just like Millikan scale, just like Pauling scale, we use Pauling scale in our syllabus, okay? So that is actually referential, okay, in comparison to others, okay? So that's why this direct cannot be measured. So D is the right answer. Very, very good question, fundamental question. Okay, and directly taken from NCERT, class 11th periodic table chapter. Okay, so please, if you have committed mistake, turn NCERT of the periodic table of class 11th. You will get this passage. Clear. Next, move to the next part. According to VSCPR theory, the shape of a SF4 molecule is, please, everyone, please like and share the session. Please like and share the session, and please participate in the question solving. Okay, please give the answer. What happened maximum? You will get wrong. You will answer wrong. You will give a wrong answer, but there is no issue. If you are answering question wrong, there is the opportunity to learn something new. Always remember. So according to VSCPR theory, the shape of SF4 molecule is shape. Please, everyone. Again from NCERT, very basic. Many people will say, sir, No need to mug up this kind of thing. No need to ask this question. No, sir, I have very strong. That's why saying, na, please participate in the SCORE exam. This type of questions will come and you got chance to win scholarships. Okay, an exciting scholarship like NASA trips, a lot of electronic gadgets, a lot of SCORE scholarship. Okay, please. So this is very easy question. This is total SF4. Okay, I will give a short technique for this. Okay, in many books now people will understand, sir, I have to find SF4, so molecule without lone pair, molecule with lone pair. No, I will give you a very shortcut method to find the answer. Okay, just count the total valence electron. Just count total valence electrons. So this is 6 plus 28. Okay, this is 34. So steric number is equal to 34 by 8. So 8 into 4, 32 plus 1 lone pair. Okay, so this is 5. Even it will help you in the hybridization part. Now, there is 5. Out of 4 is sigma and 1 is lone pair. So this become very easy. So your teacher must taught you electron pair arrangement will be trigonal bipyramidal, TBP. But question is about shape. So you was expecting sulfur will be in the central and this is the 5 expecting positions. But your teacher must taught you where we will put the first lone pair. You will not put lone pair over there because they will have more repulsion. So I will put lone pair over there and this is F, this is F, this is F, this is F. In this structure, it seems this is linear, okay, F and F. But due to its repulsion, it's a little bit bended. Okay, so it seems like it is seesaw. In your childhood, you have gone in a lot of park and used to sit on this type of devices that is called seesaw. Okay, so its answer will be seesaw. Okay, very easy question, very easy. SF4 is a seesaw shape. Okay, done everyone? Now, next to the, this is a very cool question. Number of angular and radial node of 4D orbitals. Please. Schrodinger wave equation, but Schrodinger wave equation is the quantum mechanics, but in our syllabus only few findings are there. Okay, have to calculate what is node, what is angular node, what is radial node. If you are preparing for IIT JEE, the maximum you have to solve some Schrodinger equation to find the position, the distance of node from the nucleus. Okay, the very simple questions. Please try to answer this. So what is the node? So what is node? Psi is, okay, the area or the space where the probability of finding electron is null, 0 or very less. So what is the node, my dear friend? So node means the probability of finding electron in that area is 0. So radial node formula is n minus L minus 1 and angular node is only L. So question is about 4D. So n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 2. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number. So calculate the answer. In this case, you will get 4 minus 2 minus 1. So this is 1. In this case, this is 2. So this pair you have to find in the option. So 1 and 2 is the right answer. Okay. So first question is about angular. Okay. So angular is 2. So answer will be D. Answer will be D. And in this type of questions, please have patience. Many people solve right, but in hurry, okay, they don't observe what is the sequence and the right B. Okay, so please, and they know everything and they will waste their hard work of 2 years. Okay, so please understand questions very carefully. Sometimes you know the answer, you know the logic, everything, you are perfect, but you just forget to understand the question. First you have to answer angular. So please control your happiness many times. Okay, done. So this is a very simple question, very simple. Okay, let's come to the next part. How many moles of ammonia are produced by 5 moles of hydrogen? If nothing is given in the this question, so please take your time. This is a very basic question, actually, very basic. I will give you 1 or 2 minutes. Please try to find the answer. Please try to find the answer. I will give you 1 or 2 minutes. I think this is a very easy question. Everyone can enjoy this question. Please. How many moles of ammonia are produced by 5 mole of hydrogen? So please write down the reaction. You will get the answer. Okay. I think this is the world easiest question. Very easy question. Okay. Many people forget, sir, this is a hydrogen atom or gas? Because manufacturing of ammonia is done in this gas. So you will take raw material which is a stable form. Okay, so I will take H2 gas plus N2 gas. Born-Haber process. Put 2 over there and put 3 over there. I think this is the world easiest question. Okay. So 3 moles of hydrogen you can solve by many ways. Okay, so I will take unitary method. 4 moles of H2 produce 2 mole of ammonia. Okay, so 1 mole of H2 will produce 2 by 3 mole of ammonia. So 5 moles of this will produce 2 by 3 into 5 mole of ammonia, that is 10 by 3. So 3.3 recurring, so D is the right answer. Okay, I think this is very easy. Okay, everyone? Or you can apply mole-mole analysis also. So this is the method number 2. When you have studied the mole concept for the first time, your teacher must taught you mole of H2 by their coefficient and mole of ammonia divided by 2. This mole is given 5, so mole of ammonia is equal to 5 into 2 by 3, so you will get the same answer. You can do in any ways. Done, everyone? This is very simple. Okay, now move to the next one. Again, very good question, please. I will teach you how to draw Lewis dot structure, so please go in details. The Lewis formula for 3 there are. Everyone? O3, ozone. After watching these questions, you are definitely your confidence will be increased. You can crack this exam and you will get opportunity to win a lot of gadgets, NASA trips and lot of rewards. Your parents will feel proud. So please appear in this exam. The Lewis formula of ozone R. Okay, Lewis formula of ozone R. What should be the right answer? I think very easy question, please. I will go in a lot of details for this. Please, everyone. So every question will be from your NCERT. If you have studied good in your school, you can crack this exam. And you will got a lot of, you have chance to win a lot of awards, rewards. Should we move further? Okay, so this is O3. I will go in very detail, don't worry. So I will take total valence electrons is equal to 18. 6 into 3, 18. Okay, please learn it carefully. The way this law was discovered. Oxygen want to complete its octet. So total required electrons 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Done? 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Everyone needs 20. Now, number of bonding electrons 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. You know, one bond is formed by 2 electrons, so 3 bonds will be formed. So out of 18, 6 are involved in the bond formation. So number of non-bonding electrons are 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So you can prepare lone pair, 6 lone pair, and here you can say 3 bond. This is the maximum chance. In ozone, all atoms are same. So this is 1, this is 2nd, and this is 3rd. To hold them, at least 1 bond is required. To hold them, at least 1 bond is required. So 4 electron is finished. 1 bond is a still chance to form, put over there. 6 bonds are completed. Now just think in which atom octet is complete or not. So this oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4. This needs 4. 2 lone pair is finished. This has already 2, 4, 6. So 1 electron is there, lone pair. 3 already is done. Now this have only 2. So 4, 6, and this is 8. Now all have octet completed. Now count the sigma pi. This is sigma, this is pi, this is sigma. Okay, now find the answer. So there is 2 sigma, 1 pi. So first of all, 2 pi is totally wrong, 2 pi totally wrong. So either A or C. So 2 sigma, 1 pi, and 6 lone pair of the electrons. So this is the right answer. Okay, I think this is the world easiest question. Okay, everyone. This is very basic questions. Okay, now can we move further? Let's see. So now you are feeling confident for the SCORE exam because after watching these questions, you are definitely think, sir, now I will definitely go to the NASA because this exam will give you the chance to win ticket for NASA trip. Okay, and a lot of exciting gadgets and a scholarship on a lot of our courses. 100% scholarship. Okay. Done? Now, what characterizes a closed system in thermodynamics? So in thermodynamics, these are all the basic questions of every chapter. So don't think you are not good in all chapters. Okay, if your fundamentals are good, you can crack this exam easily. So question is about what characterizes a closed system. So there was 3 systems. One is open, one is closed, and one is isolated. Open, closed, and isolated. Open means please try to participate. Okay, means open means what? It means it can exchange both energy and matter. In closed system, they can only interact energy, but there is no exchange of matter. Okay, in isolated, there is no exchange of energy, neither matter. Okay. Okay, so in closed, only energy will exchange. So not the matter. No exchange, this is isolated, not possible. Okay, exchange for matter but not energy. So this is again wrong. Okay, this exchange both, this is also wrong. So only 2 is the possible answer. Exchange of energy but not matter. Clear? Open system is our human body. Energy and matter both will exchange. Now, please molar mass of acetic acid dissolved in benzene is 90 gram per mole. Very good. Degree of dimerization of ethanoic acid in benzene is. Good question. You should answer this. Okay. So I will tell you all this detail, but please give answer. Try. This is very easy question. Please everyone, try to answer this. This is a very good question. It will require time. So please study. Molar mass of acetic acid in benzene is 90 gram per mole. Okay. So degree of dimerization. Please solve this question. This is a very fantastic question. Okay. And this will take time. Please everyone. If not, then I will answer. Don't worry. Done. So this question will take mass. Okay. Acetic acid dimerizes in benzene. So please answer. 1 to factor, how many of you studied? So I is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into beta. So beta is degree of dimerization. Okay, degree of dimerization, or degree of association, you can say association. Okay, in this case actually what is happening, 2A is forming A2. So in this case you will take n is equal to 1 by 2. Please remember this. You will take 1 by 2. Any doubt, my dear friend? In this case only people commit mistake in this. Okay. So if something is dimerizing, so you will take in this way. Okay everyone. So question is about degree of dimerization. All okay? So now after this, how you will calculate? Please think about it, my dear friend. Please think about it. This is very simple question. So put over there. So I is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into beta. Beta you have to find. I you have to find it. Okay. So normal molar mass of acetic acid is 60. After dimerization, this is 90. So my dear friend, this is 60 by 90 means 2 by 3 is equal to 1 plus, so minus 1 by 2 beta. Okay. So you will get minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2 beta. Minus cancelled out. So beta is equal to 2 by 3. So 20 by 3, 0.666 something. So A is the right answer. Very simple question. Okay, and this type of question you will always find in your examination, always. Okay. Okay, let's move further. This is classical, very good question, very good. Okay, so please try to find what should be the answer of this question. This is really a smart question, really a smart question. Please. So vapor pressure of liquid mixture A and B obtained by mixing equal mole of A and B is 4 to 3 mmHg. Vapor pressure of pure are given. The liquid mixture could be very cool question. It is very cool. So mole of A is suppose X. Mole of B is also X. Okay. So mole fraction of A is x by 2x, means 0.5. So mole fraction of B is also 0.5. Now you got the answer, please. Now this is very cool and very simple question, everyone. So vapor pressure of a liquid mixture A and B obtained by mixing equal mole of A and B is this. So there is information is given. This is the actual vapor pressure. Very simple question, this is very simple. So according to Rolle's law, what is total pressure? Mole fraction of A into P naught A, mole fraction of B into P naught B. So PT is equal to, if they follow the ideal gas, Rolle's law. So mole fraction is 0.5 into their pure is 360 plus 0.5 into 450. So please find, I think you will get 405 mm of Hg, okay? You will get 405 mm of Hg. That is, okay, am I right, 405 or what? Please tell me everyone. Okay. And actually, if they follow Rolle's law, if they are ideal solution, if they are ideal solution, but now its actual pressure is its actual pressure is greater than this. Okay, actual pressure is greater than this. Now it is showing positive deviation. It means if they are mixing together, their strength of, okay, let's suppose this is AA and you are mixing BB. If they are forming AB, this bond is weak. This bond is weak. That's why they are giving more vapor pressure than expected. So now you have to eliminate. So this will give you negative deviation. This will give you negative deviation. This will give you negative deviations. Only B should be the possible. Very, very simple question. Okay, so these all things are given in your NCERT. Okay, negative deviation. Okay, clear? All done? Let's move further. This is a very simple question. Of course, this is very simple, but it requires a lot of attention. So I'm expecting you can answer this question, please. The common oxidation state shown by actinides is +3 with other oxidizing agent this. The number of oxidation states shown by following elements. Please tell me arrange them according to the variables. Okay, please everyone. Please answer this. You can answer this question. So one is Neptunium, okay. Second one is Americium, okay. Third one is, my dear friend, Actinium. Actinium, yes, Actinium. And the last one is, my dear friend, that is Protactinium. Protactinium, okay, PA. So please tell, and this is the question from NCERT. These questions are very easy actually, but a lot of deep observation is required. Lot of deep observation is required. If you are not, okay, so first of all, you can eliminate the options. You can eliminate the options. So try to find either D should show the highest variable oxidation state, or okay, B or A, because two options are claiming A should be the highest. So please take your time. So what should be the answer? Everyone, please give me the right answer. No problem. For this, I have taken you, let's see. Highest is shown by Neptunium actually. So D and B is not possible. D and B is not possible. So let's see. Neptunium and plutonium, these two will show the highest variable. Actinium will show the least one. Even actinium do not belongs to the actinides. Okay. Actinides start from actually thorium from 90. Okay. Thorium to 103. Okay. Start from thorium actually. So actinium will show the least one. So put this value actinium. A should be the lowest. Sorry, actinium. C should be the lowest. Okay. I have deleted D option. I have deleted A option. So between this, C should not be the answer. Only B should be the right answer. A is highest, then americium. Okay. Then D and then C. So you can see the answer. This is your number 1, Neptunium, A. This is B. And your third was C. And this is the D. So this is the answer. Okay. Common oxidation state is, you can see, the +3. Okay. So this is a very cool question. Let's move further. Please. Okay, please identify the least stable ion among the following. Coolest question, coolest. This is the question which is repeated in all type of Indian exams. Every Indian exams, this question was asked. Identify the least stable ion among the following. So what should be the answer? Please. This question is very unique actually. Actually, this question was minus. Okay. There is some mistake. Please. This is very fantastic question. I will tell you, one topper student who was studying in the IT Roorkee, he committed mistake in this question. Lithium minus. I will tell you how. So question is least stable anion. All are forming negative. So all are forming negative. Okay. So one very famous saying of science, which is more stable. Any species having less energy is more stable. Okay. So let's suppose X has energy E1. X1 has E2. Your teacher must taught you, if you will add electron, energy is released. So generally this energy is released. Let's suppose -5 kilojoule per mole. It means if you are adding electron, energy is released. Means energy is decreasing. If energy is decreasing, stability is increasing. Means more energy will release. Means they have more probability to accept electron. Okay. They have behavior to accept electron. So my dear friend, try to find that species which is not supposed to accept electron. Many people think, sir, lithium should be the answer. Why? Sir, that is metal. And metal do not want to accept electron. And you are totally wrong. Okay. So my dear friend, in lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon, if you will add electron, energy will be released because their configuration is not stable. Okay, but in beryllium, when you will add electron, energy should be provided. So for beryllium, like noble gas, not as much that energy, but it will restrict to addition of electron, and electron gain enthalpy first is positive. It means electron affinity is negative. Okay, it means they don't want to accept electron, and answer will be B. But one of the topper student studied this question in wrong way and he given the answer in the wrong way. How? Lithium minus, he thought electron is 4, so he has written a MOT of it. Okay, and he have calculated bond order 2 minus 2 by 2 is equal to 0. So he told this molecule will not exist, so this is totally wrong. MOT is applied in the molecules. How can you apply to the atoms or ions? Okay, so this was actually totally wrong. Okay everyone, and he given this question is on actually electron affinity, but he answered on the MOT and he got minus marks, but still he was the topper student. He got admission in IIT Roorkee. Okay, so that's why I have remembered this question. Okay, very cool question, very cool. This is related with all chapters. This question you could say the basic topic which is in NTA syllabus. This is from electrochemistry, this is from redox reaction. This question is from every chapter, every chapter. Please everyone. In view of sign of the delta Rg of following reactions, please take your time. So what should we answer? So I will give you hint. Group number 14. Carbon, silicon, selenium, germanium, tin, lead. Please. Oh, sorry, selenium is not from here. I have written it. Okay, please, everyone. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. One is flavarium, but that is noble gas. Sorry, radioactive, so no need to comment on that. So have you studied noble gas configuration? Down the group it will show +2 and above the group it will show +4 because general configuration is NH2 NP2. So in the heavier elements this will stop participating in the bonding. So there is decrease in 2 oxidation number. Okay, and this is also question of thermodynamics. So one is clear, Pb will show +2 and tin will show +4. Okay, so in this case this reaction want to complete, this is in +2, this is +4, and there is +2 and there is +4. Okay, so this is very simple. For lead this is +2, so this is wrong, and for tin this is C. Now you can answer if somebody don't know inert pair, if you want to answer from the delta G. Let's see, your teacher must taught you for any spontaneous, okay, a spontaneous process, okay, delta G should be greater than less than 0, negative. In this process delta G is negative. It means this process will take place. This process will take place. It means lead want to go from 4 to +2. Okay, means lead is more stable in the +2. Now in this case delta G is greater than 0, so this is non-spontaneous. This is non-spontaneous, so +4 to +2 it don't want to go. Okay, so if somebody do not know inert pair effect, he can also answer by the thermodynamics. Cool, very easy. Now I have taken one question that is a lot of time this question was repeated in the history of Indian exams. Which of following statement is relation to the hydrogen atom is correct? This is not only for 5. This concept is used, asked many time in medical, many time in JEE, many time in advanced also. So please give me the right answer. This is one of the coolest question. Many people think, sir, energy order is always 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, sir, then 3p. Sir, now I know, sir, there will be 4s and then 3d. Okay, but maximum people forget one thing. This is valid for multi-electron system. This is valid for multi-electron system and it depends on N and L both. But in single electron species, energy only depend upon value of N. Value of N, okay, not on N. So that's why 1s is smaller, but 2s, 2p will become equal. Then 3s, 3p, 3d will become equal. And this is the case, so A is the right answer. If value of N is same, energy will be same. Okay, 3s and 3p orbitals are lower than this is totally wrong. Okay, 3p orbital is wrong, 3s orbital is lower than this is wrong. So only A should be the right answer. I hope we have covered a lot of questions. Okay everyone. So this is more than enough. But one thing, so you have seen the type of question a SCORE exam used to ask. I hope you can easily crack the exam if you are still serious in your school. So please appear for this exam. Go to the Sri Chaitanya score.com and apply for this exam if you are in class 3 or above than 3. Okay, you have chance to win 2.5 crore cash rewards, 350 crores scholarship, NASA trip, exciting gadgets, and 100% scholarship in many courses. Okay, so please like, comment and share, subscribe. And exam dates are 28th September and 12th October. Okay, and this is the website link where you can register for this exam. Okay everyone, so this is the biggest scholarship exam in India. Okay, and all persons who are above than 3 are eligible. This is the exam test and registration is free. Okay, please go for this. Both online offline examination will take place. And to register exam, 26th September is the last date and 10th October was the last date of register for the second exam. Okay, so it will take place in the 2 slots. Up to class 5 exam will be 60 minutes and 75 minutes, then 120 minutes. So this is the duration of exam for the different standards. Okay everyone, I hope you like the session. Please like, share and subscribe the session. You can follow us on Instagram, Telegram. Please join our Telegram. We will provide you the PDFs what we were teaching to you. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box after the lecture. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye.